In the early 20th century, engineers at General Electric began experimenting with continuous wire feed systems. In 1920, P.O. Nobel's patent described a bare wire feeder whose speed was governed by arc voltage. Higher voltage accelerated the feed, lower voltage slowed it. Although innovative, the absence of shielding gas meant the molten pool oxidized upon contact with air, producing porous, brittle welds. Nonetheless, this concept of automated wire feed laid the groundwork for true MIG welding. By the 1930s and 40s, two principal methods emerged to shield the weld from atmospheric contamination: flux and inert gas. The submerged arc process, introduced in 1935,